Mega prompt building demo. A step-by-step guide to creating powerful, context-rich prompts that transform ChatGPT from a basic tool into your strategy thinking partner. Many learners get excited by the idea of using prompts, but hit a wall when it's time to actually build a powerful, context-rich prompt. They either overcomplicate it, keep it too vague, or forget to give ChatGPT the details it needs to deliver high quality responses. The result? Frustration, shallow outputs, and a feeling of ChatGPT isn't as smart as I thought. But here is the truth. ChatGPT performs brilliantly when you feed it the right kind of structured input. And in this lesson, I'll walk you through a real world use case using the Mega Prompt Framework. You will learn exactly how to build prompts that are clear, detailed, and reusable. So you get expert level outputs every single time. Let's start with the step-by-step Mega Prompt demo. And we'll create a Mega Prompt for a real world scenario. The scenario is I want to launch a personal brand on LinkedIn and need the 30-day content plan using ChatGPT. Great. So I would start with uh, step one, that is to define the intent clearly. That starts by stating what you want ChatGPT to do. I want ChatGPT to act as a content strategist. And I can also add you specialize in building content calendars for professionals launching a personal brand. So let's do that. I want you to act as a content strategist. Mhm. Act as and you will specialize in building content calendars for professionals launching a personal brand. Now that's what I want ChatGPT to be. I then set the context. I then set the context and tell ChatGPT who you are, what your goals are. So I tell ChatGPT about myself. What I say to ChatGPT is, let's say, I am a marketing professional transitioning into a solopreneur. My goal is to share my journey and build trust with my audience on LinkedIn. And then in step three, I define the output format. I clearly tell ChatGPT what kind of responses I expect. So what I need is I need a 30-day content plan. So let's say this, I need a 30-day content plan for each day, give post idea, suggest headline or hook, format, hashtag suggestions. Then step four would be to, sorry, I think we are lost somewhere. Yeah. So the fourth step would be to add tone, audience, and constraints. Yeah. This helps maintain brand consistency. Keep the tone inspirational but relatable. Avoid corporate jargon. Target audience, aspiring entrepreneurs, and side hustlers. Limit each post description to two lines max. So what I'll do is, and then I'll add this, keep the tone inspirational but relatable, avoid corporate jargon, target audience, aspiring and entrepreneurs and sellers. Limit each post description to two lines max. Now you combine this into a mega prompt, and here is how the final prompt is going to look like. I want you to act as a content strategist, blah blah blah. I need a 30-day content plan. I think you know a lot about me. So I'm telling this to ChatGPT that I think you know a lot about me. That is Sawan Kumar. So let's say my goal is to share my journey and build trust with my audience on LinkedIn. Okay. And here I am. I run the prompt on ChatGPT. See the result. So this is here. I added the tone and constraints. I execute it. I evaluate the results. Check if the output meets my expectations. If not, I refine it as needed. Make it more storytelling driven. Add more variety in formats and so on. Now, what you have to do is build your own mega prompt for one of the following: a YouTube video content plan, a digital product launch campaign, a personal learning journey tracker. You can also look at the templates provided in the resource. It's a well-framed conversation starter. The mega prompt approach turns ChatGPT into your strategic thinking partner and not just a response generator. Use the structure you just learned to build your first mega prompt and share your result in the Q&A section or the community tab. Would love to see your prompt and offer feedback. Remember, the better your input, the better your AI-powered output is. I would be.